Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Line.
What does the dictionary say?
A continuous extent of length, straight or curved, without breadth or thickness. The trace of a moving point.
Math rap.
A line you draw long and thick with pencil or pen. In math, it is straight and has no bends. A line has no real thickness to mention. Without end, it extends in both directions.
Math rap.
Two lines sitting in the jungle. One line is labeled S and the other T. Which line is the queen of the jungle? The line S. Explain lines in your own words. Where do you see lines in the everyday world? Can you draw this line symbol without lifting your pen or pencil off the paper? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!